Hi all, welcome to MESSI 5360, the Business Intelligence class. I'm Dr. Kakuli Bandopadhyay. I go by Dr. B. As you can see, I have a long last name. My office is in 237 Business Building. My phone number is 880-8627. Email, please use Blackboard email for communication. Anything related to the course you need to talk to me about, please use Blackboard email. If you need me for anything outside of the course, then you can use my Lamar email address, which I have given here. Office hours, I will be available online on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12, and I have given you the link below. That's the Adobe Connect link. You have to click on that link and then you can see me and hear me. If you need to talk to me, you can come online between 11 and 12 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Any other times you can meet me by appointment. Basically, I'm here all 5 days. If I'm not teaching a class or if I'm not in a meeting, I'm in my office. So if you are around, drop in, or you can make an appointment. In that case, you will definitely find me in my office waiting for you. Course objectives. BI. This course, this BI Business Intelligence course, will expose you to business intelligence, of course, which is defined as the user-centered process of exploring data relationships and trends, okay, which will help to improve overall decision making. Okay, basically it involves accessing data ideally stored in a database or a data warehouse and analyzing the data, thereby deriving insights, drawing conclusions, communicate findings to effect change positively within the enterprise. It is composed of, BI is composed of 4 segments: interactive query tools, reporting tools, advanced decision support systems, and executive support systems. In this course, we will use SAP Business Information Warehouse or SAP BW module, which is a major enterprise software application for business intelligence, analytical reporting, and data warehousing solution. We will also use Tableau 6.1. Tableau is a wonderful data visualization software, and we will also use the Teradata student network. Okay. Basically, the goal of business intelligence is to summarize massive amounts of corporate data into information that can help managers better understand their processes, make informed decisions, and improve organizational efficiency. In today's strapped economy, accurate real-time BI metrics are even more critical for measuring and managing business performance. Many technologies contribute to business intelligence solutions. For example, databases, data warehouses, data marts, analytical processing, data mining, etc. We will use all of these tools in this class, in this course. Okay. We will also cover data warehouse development methodologies, data consolidation from multiple sources, web integration, data visualization, data mining applications, so on and so forth. By the learning objectives are, by the end of this course, you should be able to describe the concepts of business intelligence, their components such as data warehouses, data marts, data access tools, operational data stores, and so on. You should also understand that databases, they are not islands of information, but those databases need to be coordinated into a comprehensive enterprise, cohesive enterprise system that supports the decisions in all levels of the organization, such as operational level, tactical level, and strategic level. You need to understand the issues that affect the success and failure of BI. You should be aware of the variety of software tools that are used for data warehousing and in the BI process. Okay, you should also be aware of the emerging trends in the data warehousing BI industry. Okay, you should be proficient in using Tableau, using the SAP NetWeaver Business Intelligence Platform, enterprise reporting using SAP NetWeaver reporting tools, data modeling for business intelligence, SAP data modeling with SAP Business Information Warehouse module, and you should also be able to prepare a quality research report on business intelligence. ADA compliance and drop and withdraw date, please note from the syllabus. The required text is Decision Support and Business Intelligence Systems 9th edition by Tarban, Sharda and Dylan, Prentice Hall. Resources, we will use Teradata University Network. I have given you the site URL. Access the site, use your password as big data, register. Okay, and once you register, then you should be able to access the resources in that site, which we will use for our assignments. Class notes, we will be using Blackboard. And also, as I told you, I have given you an Adobe Acrobat link for online conferencing. I will be available on Tuesdays and Thursdays online from 11 to 12. This is an online class. You can use your own laptop or desktop, or you can use the College of Business labs for your assignments. Okay, SAP. For SAP download, you can go to the site worker.cob.csu.chico.edu. Use SAP as your user ID and password SAP GUI for me, and then you can download the SAP GUI. And also you need the BI patch. Okay, look at the BI patch here, BI patch for 7.2, you need that BI patch. If you have a SAP client from last time, you can use that, but you would still need the BI patch. Okay, without the patch, the business intelligence applications would not work properly. It will give you trouble. If you have any problem downloading the software, do not come to me, but go to Liz Simmons. She is available at 880-7220. She can help you with the downloading of the software. Okay. If you have any issues related to Blackboard, then I have given you the distance ed number. You can contact them. SAP. Half of the class is SAP. For SAP help, for downloading help, if you need help, go to Liz. For SAP assignment help, you have 3 people to help you out. You can come to me, you can go to Liz Simmons, and also we have a student helper whose name is Meena, and I have given her information via email, Blackboard email. You can also go to her. Okay, you can always come to me, but you have to understand that I am very busy with a lot of students in all my classes, so you may have to wait. If you come to me, you can always go to Liz during her office hours, and she will help you. She is very good with SAP. She is certified, and you can always take her help. Okay, and you can always come to me too. If I'm available, I'm going to always help you. Okay, academic dishonesties. This is an online class, so be careful. Whether it's online or face-to-face, cheating is taken very seriously. Before I grade your assignments, and I do all the gradings myself, so before I grade your assignment, I would look at your properties of the file and make sure that you have done your own work. Please do your own work. Do not take files from anybody else. Do not submit anybody else's work. You do your work, start early, seek help. Remember these 2 things. You need to seek help, and you need to start early so that you can seek help. Okay, if you start late, if you start 10 minutes before the assignment is due, you won't be able to finish it. You will need help and you won't get the help. So remember, seek help, and to seek help you have to start early. Okay. Course attendance policy. If you are in this class and if you do not want to be in the class, please drop. It is your responsibility to drop the class. If you don't drop and if you don't participate, at the end of the semester you will get an F. Okay. Recommended software is SAP NetWeaver platform, SAP Business Information Warehouse module, SAP Business Object. We will do Business Object in this class too. Then Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, and Tableau 6.1. There will be 2 exams, one midterm and one final. And makeup exams will be given only under extreme circumstances with verifiable written excuse. Okay. Assignments, please make sure that you submit your assignments on time. Late assignments will not be accepted. For each assignment, the it has a due date and the time is 11:59 in the night. Okay, so please accept within the deadline. Also, you need to submit a research report at the end of the semester, and it's a 15-page research report on business intelligence, and I will be providing you with more detailed outline of the report as we progress with the semester. Grading. This is my grading matrix. Midterm exam 25 points, final exam 25 points, SAP Business Information Warehouse module assignments 130 points, non-SAP assignments 120 points, research report 50 points. So total 350 points for the semester. If you make 315 and above, you make an A. 280 to 314 is B. 245 to 279 is C. 210 to 244 is D. And below 210, that's F. Okay. This is my course schedule. Even though I say tentative, this is pretty much what I would follow throughout the semester. For January 19, I say introduction. Try to attend the online session at 11. I'm basically doing the online session now, so I'll post a video because some of you have told me that you have other things that you need to take care of at 11. You have a meeting, you have a class, whatever. So I'm videotaping the session, and I'll be posting this videotape of this session so you can attend, you can hear it out at your own time. And then you see, you read the syllabus carefully. For each day I have told you what to do. Okay, so I have prepared study guides for each chapter. So on January 24, you were supposed to review the study guide for chapter 1 and review the PowerPoint slides on introduction to OLAP. And then I ask you to work on assignment 1 on January 26. All assignment due dates are here. January 31 assignment 1, February 7 assignment 2. So you can see from here all these assignments. There are 7 non-SAP assignments. Okay, and then there are I believe 10 SAP assignments. Okay, your midterm exam is on March 20 on chapters 1, 5, 7, 8 and 9 from the book, and then your final exam is between May 9 and May 11 and on SAP modules. Okay, on SAP modules. So this is pretty much the syllabus. Now let me take you to the Blackboard shell. Okay, this is the Blackboard shell for the class 5360. Okay, you can, on your left side you can see the syllabus. These are the chapter slides. So you will see you have chapter 1 introduction to OLAP, data warehouse tutorial, then chapter 5, 7, 8 and 9. These are the slides. Okay, then you can see the study guides. I have prepared the study guides for each chapter. So these are the study guides, and this will highlight the topics that you need to know from each of these chapters. These are the lecture videos. I have videotaped lecturing of each of these chapters, and you can find out those. Assignments. So far I have listed the first 6 assignments. Okay, you have assignments till March 6 posted now. The rest, assignment 7 and then SAP assignments, I will post it as we progress with the semester. So you have the first 6 assignment posted, and you can see the dates that they are due from here and what is needed. Like first example, assignment 1, I ask you to submit a Word document with 3 screenshots and so on and so forth. Now assignment videos. For some of the assignments, not all, for some of the assignments I will videotape and I will post information. Okay, I will walk you through the assignments, not all of them though. I will walk you through some of the assignments which I think you need help. Okay, so they will be posted here. I have posted so far only 3, but I will post more as I become ready. The SAP client setup and the SAP logins I have given you already. Okay, and in the email I have already sent you an email on information about our student assistant, and I said that we have a student helper this semester. She can help you with Access, Excel and SAP, and I've given you her information also in your email. Now since this is an online class, make sure that you check your emails regularly. Okay, because I have this online session, chat session when I'm available. Sorry, but mostly I will be emailing you back and forth to provide you with information regarding any changes, anything happening about the course. Okay, I believe this is what the introduction session is about. We discussed syllabus, we discussed the help available and where to find out the different things that I have posted, and that is it. I welcome all of you again, and I hope to have a productive semester with you all. It's a lot of work, 17 assignments altogether, 2 tests, but I believe that you will learn a lot in this class on business intelligence, on business information warehouse module of SAP, on SAP business objects, and on data analysis, on different tools that are required for data analysis. We will also learn Tableau, which is a very sleek data visualization software, and I believe that you will be more marketable after you take this course. And this course is very, very hands-on. I would say 90% hands-on class. We will learn all the concepts and then we will apply them in practice when we work on our assignments. Remember again 2 things for this class. Number 1 is that seek help. Do not finish something because you don't know how to do it or what to do. Please ask. Okay, you ask me or you ask Liz Simmons or you ask Meena, and seek help. And next thing is that you start early, because I do not accept any late assignments. You have to start early, because in case you are stuck, you can ask somebody for help. Okay, this is it for today. I once again all the best, and I hope to have a very, very productive semester with you all.